Hello, welcome back to Purple Collar Life. I'm Chad. Today we're doing a project outside here at the house. For a couple years we used a company called TruGreen to treat our front lawn. And while the end results were actually pretty good, there were no weeds, the grass was the greenest it's ever been, and they turned what used to be just old pasture field that I started mowing before I built the house into what looked like a really nice lawn. And I liked that, but there were a couple downsides to TruGreen. One, the cost. It was over $600 to do our front yard, which is about 23,000 square feet. And then we have a lot more space behind us in the backyard and then the side yard on both sides and the entire length of our long driveway. But we just did this part with TruGreen. And like I said, it was over $600, and that was a number of years ago, so I'm sure it would be more expensive now. The other issue with TruGreen was we found that it's not entirely safe for pets, and you know, we have our Great Dane. Before that we had a Golden Retriever, and we wanted to keep something that was safe for pets here in the lawn. And I know there are some arguments that TruGreen is safe as long as you let it dry, but we just weren't willing to take the risk, and we've heard some bad stories, so we ended that relationship with TruGreen a number of years ago, both for the cost savings and the risk. So this year I saw an ad for a new product and we started trying it. It's called Sunday, and you go to getsunday.com to get it. This is not a sponsored video, but we liked what we read about the product. It was natural ingredients, safe for your lawn, safe for your pets. It actually doesn't have any weed killer in it. It just has nutrients in it for your lawn to make your lawn greener and healthier. So we liked the idea of that. We also liked that it was a significantly lower cost. Now, Sunday only has programs for 5,000 or 10,000 square feet at the time of this video, and I know they're working on expanding that. So when I first contacted them and said, you know, my front lawn is 23,000 square feet, they said we don't have anything, but you can do either spread our 10,000 foot treatment over your entire front lawn and it just won't be as strong, or chunk off 10,000 feet of your front lawn and just treat that area to see if you like the results. So this is actually our second Get Sunday package. I'll give them absolute credit on the packaging. Their marketing is really good, and so is their packaging. So it's a nice box, the front open. Each time you get a prepared paper just for you. They do send you advice from your lawn advisor. You get a specific lawn advisor assigned to you. Our lawn advisor's name is Eric, and I've actually emailed him a couple times and asked him questions, and he's been great about getting back to me. The first thing that they do is they send you the intro packet that includes the sprayer nozzle, your first few bags of nutrients you put on the lawn, and a soil test kit. We submitted our soil test, and a few weeks later they had the results of that test. And now this box they sent us has nutrients that are specifically designed for the soil makeup of our lawn. So it seems to be a good system. The cost that I paid for the 10,000 square foot treatment was $169. That was on sale. I believe I had a $20 off coupon. If you search the internet, you can usually find those discount codes. So in this second box, they sent us 4 different packs or 4 different pouches of nutrients to spray on our lawn. The first ones we're going to put on right now are called Lawn Strong, and there's 2 pouches to do the 10,000 square feet, which is just under half of my front yard. So I'll start here closest to the house, work about halfway up. That's what I did with the first set of pouches. But they also sent me the next 2 pouches that I'll need in a few weeks, and that is called Mighty Green, and that's for when a little bit of the rainier spring, early summer season is done, and you put that on a few weeks after we put this one on. Like I said, this will be application number 2. Application number 1 was put on the lawn several weeks ago, probably a month and a half ago actually, and compared to the TruGreen, I actually don't see any results yet with the Get Sunday, so that's a little disappointing. With TruGreen, you could see results almost immediately. Any weeds that you had died, like the dandelions would die within a few days. The grass would immediately perk up and be greener and seem thicker. So far, I've not seen that with the Sunday lawn treatment, so I'm hoping the second treatment does a little bit better. And when I talked to Eric, our advisor at Get Sunday, or Sunday, he told us that that can be normal. It takes a couple applications. It's kind of a cumulative effect. So we'll see if this second application helps out the lawn and we see some visible differences. I'm hoping so, because the cost is better and the safety is better. I'm just really hoping that the results are nearly as good. Each kit does come with really good instructions. There are some things you want to follow. For example, it says try not to apply it within 2 days of mowing or 2 days of rain. So it has been 2 days since I've mowed and more than 2 days since it's rained here. You do keep the sprayer from application to application, so I kept this from the first box that they sent me, and I'll be using it with this second box. And there's a little sticker on here that says "Save me for reuse." We do have to have a fairly long hose to do this section of lawn, and I've found that it's easier. I have a shutoff on the end of this hose, which is really nice. I highly recommend them. But I found that it's easier to attach the sprayer to the hose first and then attach the bag to the sprayer. So this will be the first bag that we'll be applying. It should take somewhere between a half an hour and an hour to completely apply the 10,000 square feet, the 2 pouches, onto my lawn. So we'll get started. Pouch number 1. To operate this, all you do is twist this little white knob and it'll start spraying. And you just kind of have to work out the pace, knowing that this bag should cover about 5,000 square feet, which I know is about a quarter of my front yard. And as soon as I start twisting it, it'll start spraying in a fan motion. So I'm about a little more than halfway done with this bag. There are number indicators on the back, and you can see the level of the fluid in the pouch remaining. So I'm a little more than halfway done, and it looks like my pace is pretty good because this bag should last me about a quarter of the front yard, 5,000 square feet. The little bit that's left in this pouch that the straw couldn't pick up, I'm going to add into this second pouch just to not waste it. Like I said, the packaging is excellent. They come in inside the outside box. There's an inner box that protects each pouch because I was worried about that with shipping. How would the pouches ship? They've arrived perfectly. The outer box is intact, the inner box is intact, and then they're bagged inside the boxes I suppose, in case there's any leaks, but so far I haven't seen any leaks, and they've been really perfectly packaged. The people at Sunday do make a special treatment for dog urine spots in the lawn that kill the grass. We didn't opt for that package, but that is something you can add into any package that you buy. Okay, pouch number 2. I like to twist it so that I can see the level indicator as I go, and that helps me keep the correct pace. The other thing I like to do is pull all my hose out to the end of the row that I'll be walking down. And it does require a lot of hose. We have 100 feet of the traditional hose, and then 50 feet of this no kink flex hose. Second application completed. What I'm really hoping to see is that in about the center of the lawn, before the next application, I've got nice green grass the whole way to that line, and I'd love to see that line of separation where I can tell where I've treated the lawn and where I haven't. And that would really prove to me that this product, Sunday, does work, and that it's a good product, a money savings product to use. Like I said, here on Purple Collar Life, this is kind of what we're about. Working outside, doing things on our own, trying to save money, learning how to do things. I know that I do a lot of research on YouTube, and I kind of wanted to provide some resources for other people to use as their research. So hopefully this video is helpful to someone considering Get Sunday, someone that's maybe considering switching from TruGreen, or someone that's never used anything on their lawn. And we'll keep you posted if we see any results. So far, like I said, I haven't seen the results that I've been hoping to see. One of the nice things about Get Sunday is that there's a full money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. So if we go through the whole summer, do all the applications, and we haven't seen any improvement, that's good to know that we can get our money back. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. It automatically enters you to win our milestone giveaway prizes at 250, 500, and 1,000 subscribers. Thanks!